Today we would learn that how to subset or clip any raster image in ArcGIS software. So first open the ArcGIS software and add the data to the workspace that you want to subset or clip. And for subsetting the topo sheet or your image must be georeferenced. For example, this is the georeferenced topo sheet. So first the topo sheet would be added to the workspace, and for example I want to remove this. I want to subset my area of interest. So what are the basic functional steps? First of all, open the Arc catalog and generate the topo sheet, generate the shapefile that you want to create. Right click on any folder where you have saved your georeferenced topo sheet and click on this new shapefile. A new dialog box, create new shapefile, pops up. So you can name, for example, this would be my area of interest, right? And feature type, it would be polygon. And here you would see that spatial reference properties are unknown, so you can add the spatial reference properties from the geographic coordinate systems or projected coordinate systems. But since this is georeferenced image, so what you have to do, you have to import the coordinate values. Click on this import button and you can import or you can borrow the spatial referencing properties from the same file. For example, this is the 53A2 PCS and 53A2 PCS. Click on add. Here you will see that the projection parameters have been added to your topo sheet. Click on OK. Now here you will see that in the table of contents the AOI layer has been created. So what you have to do, you can close it and right click on the panel and you can invoke the editor. It is already on, otherwise you can do it like this, and here you will see it has been added. So click on this editor and start editing. Click on this create features. Here you will see that in the create features you have to select this. When you will select this, you will see some changes here, and click on this, and from the construction tools click on this polygon and you can close it. And because this is the area that I want to retain, for example this vectorization is a very tedious task, so it requires a lot of patience and perseverance. So one has to maintain the patience whenever you start digitization. So what you have to do, that you have to select a polygon of the area that you want to subset. Or this clip is like a cookie cutter. it has to be done very precisely. So click on this full extent button. Here you will see that you want to extract this area and you want to remove the cartographic annotations from the topo sheet. It could be any image. From the larger image you want to extract the area. For example, if you georeference the map of India, and from the map of India you want to subset or you want to extract a single state, for example Himachal Pradesh, so you have to, first of all you have to digitize the state likewise this. Now click on this editor, stop editing, yes, and click on this AOI layers and click on the hollow, and you can increase the outline width, you can change the color also, click on OK. So this is the area that I want to subset. Now what you have to do after drawing this area of interest, you have to go to the arc toolbox. Click on arc toolbox and go to this data management tools, and in the data management tools go to here, click on this raster, and in the raster click on this raster processing, and in the raster processing you have this clip tool. So double click on clip and a new dialog box clip has popped up. So what you have to do is you have to input the raster image. Here you can see the definition of the clip also, that it cuts out a portion of a raster data set. So add this input raster and output extent, select this AOI because it has been named as AOI. So check this use input features for clipping geometry, and this is the output raster data set. You can accept it the default, and after that you can export it to the appropriate drive or folder and click on this maintain clipping extent and then click OK. If everything goes well, then you will see the green signal at the bottom. By that time you can close the arc toolbox. Such kind of geoprocessing operations like clip or subset are very useful. So a student of geography must understand all these basic and important functions on the ArcGIS software, which is very user friendly software. Because it is very time raster images are very voluminous, but it has come up and it takes some processing time also. Here you will see that it has been added to your table of contents. So you can remove this, the 53A2 PCS, and here you will see that it has been clipped also. So now you can remove it and you can right click and export data. You can save it in the appropriate drive or folder. For example, I want to save in this location in the D drive, and you can change it that PCS clip1.tiff. I want to save it in the TIFF format, so click on save, and here you will see that process is taking place. So now it is asking that would you like to add the exporter data to the map as a layer, so click on yes, and it has been added also. Now you can remove it, and here you will see you can change the layers, you can keep the vector layer, and now it is fit for further actions. Hopefully that you have learned this subsetting or clipping process in ArcGIS.